इंट्रो कर चुके हैं लेकिन वो रिजेक्ट हो चुका है तो इसलिए हम दोबारा इनके
By myself.
बाय योरसेल्फ मैंने कहा ये दिस इज नॉट अप टू मार्क मेरी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं थी but of course guys I'm really excited that you guys are going to be back on screens and last we saw you in Neem and Naroz and Mara that was the performance of a lifetime.
Thank
it was
you.
absolutely magical. Both.
Thank you.
The selection of characters was superb and so proud of you yaar.
Thank you. I'm gonna cry.
और हमारे साथ हैं दानिया अस्सलाम वालेकुम. You're doing so well in stand up girl.
Thank you.
You have like एक उसमें किसमें बात करते हैं?
कूजे में.
कूजे में बात करती है.
दरिया को.
The character is really developed so well, written so well, and performed so well. So I'm delighted that you guys are coming together in this new drama serial. Allah khair kare, which is like I said earlier that you know exciting new pairings are happening and. How did you guys feel when you heard first कि actually इनके साथ drama है या इनके साथ drama है? So what was the first thing that came in your mind?
Oh, you want me to go first? ये सारा honesty मेरे पे आ गया ना. माफ कर दे मैंने काम बहुत कम देखता हूँ मैं लोगों का तो मैं I hadn't like seen much of it except I had seen like you know no I had seen like trailers for a film that had come before and all of that stuff and for me actually मुझे ज़्यादा मजा आता है जब मुझे ना पता हो कि जो अगला इंसान है वो how they are, how they act, how they take their craft and everything. So it makes me very curious and excited. So लेकिन पहली जो चीज आई थी वो immediately आई थी that I believe I have somewhat of an animated face and I thought that Mavra is also someone who has somewhat of an animated face. I see that obviously in a good sense, you know, like कुछ चेहरे होते हैं जो that are very emotive, very expressive.
चेहरे बात करते हैं,
आंखें बात करती हैं. So जितना मैंने इनको देखा हुआ था उसके हिसाब से मुझे था it might be very interesting to you know like do the rom-com scenes together where you have like these two people and इन्होंने जो मुझे बताया कि ज्यादातर काम इन्होंने as such इतना इस साइड का नहीं एक्सप्लोर करके देखा था so that even you know for me it was even more exciting. So but yeah I did really look forward to it and most of the people I met by the way did say to me that she is very professional and hands down because मेरा तो छोटा एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपीरियंस ही रहा है but the most professional you know like actor that I've worked with for sure.
That's amazing. Zara और अभिषेक को तो आपने बिल्कुल
no I'm saying like text I'm saying textbook professional मतलब वो
continuity और ज़ारा textbook professional खत्म नहीं
textbook का मतलब है कि इतना ज्यादा कि continuity की चेकलिस्टें बनी हुई हैं जो लाल पेन से टिक हो रही और मैं कह रहा हूँ कि यार जरा सीन तो पढ़ाई यार आगे की हो रही चल सही है आगे की और यहाँ फुल प्रेप हो रही है.
The student in me comes, you know.
Yeah.
So when I heard that, so I've had this history of working with new people, you know, and I've always, I remember a time when I was going, you know, it was my first serial after a long time where I was going for a newcomer. So people around me were very, okay, nahi, you should work with established actors, this, that. I personally, because it just so happened that back to back, I worked with, you know, fresh actors who were just maybe in their first serial or second, mostly first. मुझे लगता है कि फ्रेशनेस आती है टेबल पर क्योंकि हर किसी के काम करने का तरीका अलग होता है. I don't think he works in the manner how you know we like there is a set pattern of working on sets. He doesn't know that. So when he doesn't know that, he will bring freshness. He's bound to bring freshness. So I think वो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है क्योंकि that keeps me on my toes. You know, fresh energy. You have to brace yourself. You don't know what's coming your way. So I think, and with the way he performs also, it's very organic. It's not like line
he's very natural.
line बोलनी शुरू कर दी. So I think that also helps me, and because I was also, you know, going into this zone for the very first time, like he said, I've never done characters which are like really like OTT. So I'm also scared.
But this is an OTT character.
I mean, yeah, compared to my characters, it would be extremely OTT, I would think. But maybe it's just me, मुझे लग रहा है कि I mean, yeah, you could say, but उस time पे maybe I wasn't even taking it very seriously in the sense कि मैं कौन सा character, मैंने अब ये किया और अब मैं ये कर रही हूँ. Right now, it's like after Zimil and Ristina, everyone has their eyes on me कि क्या हो रहा है next. So I had a lot of pressure कि ये कैरेक्टर मुझे करना चाहिए कि नहीं, इज इट द राइट कैरेक्टर टू डू. बट देन आई थॉट कि अगर इतना डर लग रहा है कैरेक्टर से तो माइट एज वेल डू इट. हो सकता है कि डर की कोई वजह होगी. मे बी इट्स नॉट अ फेमिलियर टेरिटरी फॉर मी, you know, to go and perform tragic scenes, or you know, to have like a tragic love story, or like of course Rishtina was very new for me as well. लेकिन कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो आपकी बस you know किटी में कुछ ट्रिक्स पड़े होते हैं और आप उनको यूज और रीयूज करते हैं बढ़ा चढ़ा के. लेकिन इसमें मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. Like when I came to this set, other than the continuity chart, I did not, you know, the reason why I prepped so much on paper was because I was really scared, and then I think it was a good scare.
पता नहीं है डर की केड़ा डर सी है ते आगे ते एंज होना है ये यूं करो. No, I mean I think when you step out of your comfort space and a territory like you said which is unknown, you know, ambiguity है, समझ नहीं आ रही, उसमें growth फिर बहुत imminent होती है.
अल्लाह करे.
And then you either you're gonna soar through it or you know, yeah, you're gonna plummet and you're gonna feel yaar. She did soar.
क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा कि I'll fail at this attempt. So I thought I'm ready to take that chance instead of just hiding कि ये characters मेरे करने के नहीं है. You know, I thought कि करके देख लेती हूँ. It's a short series. करके देखती हूँ क्या होता है, क्या हो जाएगा. फेल हो जाऊंगी तो so what?
So it's tentatively called Let's Try Mohabbat, right?
Yes.
छह episodes हैं.
हाँ, मतलब maybe on air 7-8 हो जाएं, but like
ज्यादा से ज्यादा 7-8.
on paper 6 है.
ऐसा भी हो सकता है 6 हों और फिर 20 होने हो.
7 हो गए.
जब 16 के 40 हो सकते हैं तो 6 के 20 भी हो सकते हैं. लेकिन होपफुली ऐसा नहीं होगा.
अल्लाह ना करे.
We hear that it's being shot and being made on the lines of a Ramzan drama. मुझे नहीं पता कि रमजान में आएगा अभी फिलहाल या नहीं आएगा. But जो rom-com ड्रामे हम usually रमजान में देखते हैं उस फॉर्मेट के ऊपर.
Is it always like that कि rom-com सिर्फ रमजान में आता है?
नहीं, ज्यादातर
मतलब rom-com आते हैं but रमजान में सिर्फ rom-com आते हैं.
Right.
So going by that, आप लोगों का जो आपस में interaction है on screen, we believe that you guys are married in the drama.
Yeah.
Is that true? You
Yeah.
can reveal that?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, because
Now
वो
that
तो-
you know and you've said it, हम इतनी जल्दी नहीं परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे कि हमें नहीं पता.
So let's try मोहब्बत में मोहब्बत try क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? कैसे कर रहे हैं try? क्योंकि शादी तो हो गई भी ऑलरेडी.
ऐसे बताएं भी
क्यों
ना.
शादीशुदा लोग आपस में मोहब्बत
इसीलिए
नहीं
पूछ
करते
रहा
हैं?
हूँ ना.
ये
नहीं,
हसन.
I think
शादीशुदा लोगों को one would assume कि हो गई होगी ना मोहब्बत.
नहीं actually
Oh,
तो
Hassan,
यही
you
वो
got it
layers
all
हैं.
wrong.
है?
नहीं यही वो layers हैं
जो आप explore करें.
हाँ it's
I mean, you'd have a lot to learn.
You'd have a lot to learn, or you'd have a lot to learn.
You'd have.
You'd have a lot to learn. You.
नहीं अब ये diplomatic
No,
हो
because
गया.
he said शादीशुदा का मोहब्बत से क्या मतलब? Hello.
मैं क्या मोहब्बत तो हो गई. I'm assuming कि मोहब्बत
मोहब्बत सिर्फ होती थोड़ी है. मोहब्बत इज अ प्रोसेस, वो रोज होती है. इट्स लाइक अ ongoing thing.